Since I am homeschooling my daughter this year, I decided to turn this Dollar Tree scheduler into an interactive calendar. If you want to learn, keep watching and I will show you how. First, I took the paper strips and began measuring out the lengths and cut them to size. This next step is optional. You can write them out or you can do whichever way you prefer, but I am using my Cricut, weed eating, and transferring them to the paper. Since I know it will be handled a lot, I am using contact paper on everything. I wanted to give it some pop of color, so I am using this blue-green paper instead of the white, measuring and cutting them out. Now I'm just adding the numbers to the squares and then my contact paper and repeating this process for my months. This is what I thought it was going to look like until I realized that the weeks could have up to 6 rows instead of 5, but it's okay, I improvised. With that being said, I ironed on my month and year labels. Since months and years change, I am hot gluing Velcro to the backs. Don't forget to hot glue the other piece to your calendar. Again, this is all optional, but last minute I decided I wanted them all to have their own pouch. So I'm taking a red marker and making a line where I want to sew it. I did start sewing them in sections, but I found it easier to start from the bottom and work my way up to the top in one line. Instead of spending over $30 for one, it only cost me $1. Hope you enjoy.